Welcome to my channel. How frequently should you service your car? Full guide for beginners. 1. Follow manufacturer guidelines. Every car comes with a service schedule in the manual. Most cars need servicing every 10,000 to 15,000 kilometers or 6 to 12 months, whichever comes first. 2. Check engine oil regularly. Engine oil is the heart of your car. Change it every 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers depending on usage and oil type. 3. Pay attention to driving conditions. If you drive in heavy traffic, dusty roads, or extreme heat, common in India, your car may need more frequent servicing. 4. Basic service versus full service. Basic service, oil change, filter cleaning, every 6 months. Full service, complete check, once a year. 5. Inspect brakes frequently. Brake pads should be checked every 10,000 to 20,000 kilometers. If you hear noise or feel vibration, service immediately. 6. Monitor tire condition. Check tire pressure weekly and alignment every 6 months. Rotate tires every 8,000 to 10,000 kilometers. 7. Keep an eye on battery health. Car batteries usually last 3 to 5 years, but should be checked during every service. 8. Replace air filters on time. Dirty air filters reduce mileage. Replace every 10,000 to 15,000 kilometers. 9. Watch warning lights. If your dashboard shows a warning light, don't ignore it. Get your car checked immediately. 10. Don't skip regular service. Even if your car seems fine, regular servicing helps avoid costly repairs and keeps performance smooth. Thanks for watching.